The Beltrami County Domestic Violence Court heard its first cases today. Beltrami becomes the fourth Minnesota county to hold a specific court for domestic cases. Shane Lee explains how the new court could lead to healthier families.
In a word, domestic violence cases are complicated.
Oftentimes the victim is dependent upon the offender for financial support, and that really puts that person in a untenable position.
The crime needs to be paid for without ruining a family's health.
When you start making decisions in domestic violence cases, it becomes really dangerous when you make those decisions alone.
We have all the tools that we need in the court system to get people convicted, but that doesn't help break the cycle of violence.
Instead of jail time, Favors says the better solution has been a coordinated community response. The teamwork could not be achieved without a grant. The Domestic Violence Court is made possible by a federal grant from the Office of Violence Against Women. The Court Improvement Grant provides about $450,000 over 3 years.
Part of that grant is also to improve communication between law enforcement systems and court systems so that we can have up-to-the-date information about what's going on in a case.
The biggest difference between this court and other courts is the increased offenders' accountability through close judicial monitoring. The court works with probation officers and therapists to supervise and rehabilitate offenders.
The biggest change that I hope we're going to see from this is being more successful in holding offenders accountable for domestic abuse.
The hope is to keep families together and safer. Shane Lee, Lakeland News.
The Beltrami County Court hears about 15 domestic violence cases every month.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.